Welcome to Florida's hidden paradise, Blue Springs. This tranquil haven boasts clear crystal waters and sanctuary. Make Blue Springs your next go-to destination. Why opt for Blue Springs? The query is straightforward. Immerse yourself in crystal clear waters, experience snorkeling journey, and resonate with the pristine setting. Blue Springs, a location where nature been extraordinarily generous. Blue Springs has an array of fun activities for everyone. It's not just about crystal clear waters and an abundance of fish. It's a haven for water adventures. It's a haven for water adventures and diving, and more. You can also explore walking trails, meet and greet with the wildlife, and even the thrill of manatee viewing. Blue Springs truly has something for everyone: thrill seekers, nature lovers, and marine enthusiasts alike. Thinking about a trip to Blue Springs? It's an idyllic location for those who love to start their day early. Make sure you pack essentials like sunblock and plenty of water. Why not bring along a picnic too? But remember, while we can enjoy the beauty of the wildlife, we should respect their space and not just visitors after all. Blue Springs in Florida, a hidden gem, boasting natural beauty, affordability, and a serene environment. It's a turquoise paradise within the sunshine visitors, and create lasting this idyllic spot. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing our next adventure with you.